Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your market research with Charles Schwab step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Charles Schwab homepage. Log into your Schwab account using your username and password. Once logged in, locate the Research tab in the main menu. Click on Research to open the drop-down options. Select Market Research from the available choices. On the Market Research page, look for the Tools and Resources section. Find the option labeled Reset Your Market Research. Click on this option to begin the reset process. You may be prompted to review your current preferences. Take a moment to examine the criteria you have previously set. To reset, look for the button labeled Reset All Preferences. Click on Reset All Preferences to clear the saved settings. A confirmation pop-up may appear. Confirm your decision to reset your market research. After confirmation, the system will reset to default settings. You can now set new preferences tailored to your current needs. Explore the market research tools and refine your selections. Utilize the filters and options to customize your market insights. Once satisfied, save your new preferences for future use. Navigating back to the market research page will show your updated settings. Review your new layout and options to ensure they meet your requirements. This completes the reset process for your market research with Charles Schwab. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.